these?
Yeah. This is taxi card.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. So we can contact you again.
Yeah, just won't necessarily be me.
What is mall? Walmart?
Yung pinutan nyo kapon?
There is a Walmart, sir.
Sorry?
Walmart.
Walmart, no? Sa Amerika lang yata yun.
Walmart?
Walmart?
No. There's a warehouse.
Warehouse, yeah.
You know the warehouse?
Yeah, we are in yesterday there.
Yeah. You want to go there?
Yeah.
Okay.
We also use also a dollar because we don't have money.
Oh, but you could use your cards. You could use your credit card.
Yeah, we buy there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But then when the taxi.
Well, you could use your credit card here.
Here, credit
Yeah,
card
yeah,
also.
Yeah.
Ah,
Alright.
okay.
Yeah.
Like this one, oh, private food. There is no money changer there. But this one is like open now.
Yeah. That's Chinese. You want to go there? They won't. I don't think they change money.
I don't know how about the other private place here. There is no money changer.
No.
Private.
During the week, workday, possibly. All right.
Ah,
But they stop.
normal working days possible.
It's weekend. It's weekend.
It's weekend.
Dito kami ngayon. Dito ngayon ang kusinerong lagalag sa Plymouth, New Zealand. Inay, Pilipino.
Alam ko na yung sinabi siguro nila na nag-driver kanina sa atin na mall yun siguro. Mapagod na tayo no, nang layo no.
Lalakad ba tayo pabalik?
Ha? Utang layo no.
Diyan tayo? Crowd house? Japanese?
Galing kami dyan sa breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ay, ano pala? Balik pala, chick. Ano na dyan, inuman? Dito tayo, sa lunch break dinner. Pumasok ko pala dyan. Inuman ka dyan. Dito na lang tayo, chick mo. Sama mo.
Yeah.
Kanya akong kopi.
Kumain naman ang kusinerong lagalag.